Okay, hello everybody. This is a test of a program called NaturallySpeaking Dragon, and the test is going to be how well I can program using JavaScript in NaturallySpeaking Dragon. Scratch that. Delete. Delete. Press delete. So I'm going to be reading this book here, Activate Your Web Pages, JavaScript, the Definitive Guide. And this book is written by David Flanagan. This is the 6th edition, by the way. And the program is on page 312 of chapter 13, JavaScript and web browsers. Select all. Press delete. So here goes nothing. Press delete. Less than. Right less than. Spell less than. Exclamation mark. Doc type. Press backspace. Spell, capital D, capital O, capital C, capital T, capital Y, capital P, capital E. HTML, greater than, spell greater than, new line, spell less than, HTML, spell greater than, press backspace, new line, spell less than, head, press backspace, spell greater than, new line, spell less than, title, press backspace, spell greater than, digital clock, capital D, capital C, press backspace, press less than, slash, title, press greater than, new line, press less than, script, spell greater than, new line, function, display time, press backspace, ELT, open quote, open parenthesis, new paragraph, spell VAR space ELT, spell ELT, space, spell equal, spell, press space, document.getElement by ID, capital E, capital B, spell capital I, D, 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 open parenthesis, open quote, clock, semicolon, new line, spell VAR, now, spell equal, space, space, new, space, date, capital D, spell capital D-A-T-E, date, open parenthesis, semicolon, new line, ELT.inner HTML, spell ELT, choose one, spell INNER, press backspace, space, spell equal, space. Now dot total, dot to locate time string, capital L, capital T, capital S, press delete, open parenthesis, semicolon, new line, set timeout, capital T, open parenthesis, display time, comma, 1000. Capital T, semicolon, the paragraph. Window.onload equals display time semicolon. W, W, spell W, spell equal, capital T, new line, spell less than, slash, script, press backspace, spell greater than, new line, spell less than, style, press backspace, spell greater than, new line, hash clock, spell hash, paragraph, press tab, font colon, bold, 24-point sans, semicolon, press backspace, press delete, line, background colon, spell hash, DDF, semicolon, spell hash, new line, padding colon, 10px, semicolon, spell px, new line, border colon, solid black, spell 2px, semicolon, choose one, press space, next line, border hyphen radius colon, space, spell 10px, semicolon, 10, next line, spell less than, slash, style, style, spell greater than, press backspace, next line, spell less than, slash, head, spell greater than, new line, spell less than, body, spell less than, body, press backspace, spell greater than, new line, Spell less than. Spell H1. Spell greater than. Digital clock. Capital D. Capital D. Capital C. Press space. Spell less than. Spell H1. Spell greater than. Slash. New line. Spell less than. Span, space. Press backspace. Space. Spell ID equal, open quote, clock, clock, spell less than, spell greater than, slash, span, spell greater than, line, spell greater than, spell less than, slash, body, line, HTML, slash, spell greater than, spell less than, go to sleep. So this is my attempt at using the NaturallySpeaking Dragon version 12 to transpose this program that I found here in the JavaScript Definitive Guide, 6th edition by David Flanagan. And I want to see if I can get this thing to show up on my web browser. So what I'm going to do now is save the program. Wake up. JavaScript digital clock.html. Backspace. Backspace. Go to sleep. So now I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, there's a little error here, so the time is not being shown. So let's try to get this thing to work right. So as we're going to go through the source here, I'm going to check for errors. Display time. JavaScript is very particular about case. So any problems in it, misspellings in case, you have a problem. Wake up, press tab, Wake up, press tab, press tab, press tab, go to sleep. Inner HTML equals now dot local. I put locate, L-O-C-A-L, so there's my error. Wake up, L. Spell L. Go to sleep. Save it. Stupid thing. Go to sleep. Wake up. Press delete. Go to sleep. Wake up. Press F5. So there's another error now. Go to sleep. Let's check for more errors. This is a real test of the NaturallySpeaking Dragon software. The version 12 is not very reliable when it comes to actually programming. It does a pretty good job of transliterating my words, though, even though I have a speech embedded. But it's fun to use it when it works, it's gold. But when it doesn't work, it's frustrating as hell. So let's check it out. Let's continue to debug Windows. Oh, there's another error. Wake up. Spell O. Go to sleep. Style, clock, here's the formatting. Font, bold, 24 sans, background, PDF, padding, the edge, border. Can't leave anything to chance with this thing because any mistype or spelling issue and it's a no-go. Border, okay, style, head, body, digital clock, span ID equals clock, span, okay, body. So hopefully this should do it. Wake up, press F5. Press F5. This thing. So this was a complete bust somewhere in the code. Go to sleep. There's an error, and right now I can't find it. HTML. It's probably like the HTML, maybe. It should be undercased. Wake up. Spell HTML. Spell HTML. Spell HTML. Spell HTML. Press F5. And it still doesn't work. Glorious. So I'm going to pause the video right now. Wake up. Press E. Press F5. There we go. So There are a lot of weaknesses to the untrained voice when using Naturally Speaking Dragon. As you can see, Naturally Speaking Dragon version 12 had difficulties recognizing my voice. Go to sleep. But in the end, I was able to go through it. So it's, you know, it's a good aid if like you're gonna do a lot of non-mathematical dictation. It works fine. You can even write a book as long as your voice is clear and you've trained yourself to use the voice functions. But for programming, I think it requires a little bit more updating, you know, just patience. I can really lose my patience with this. But anyway, that's my demonstration of Naturally Speaking Dragon, and the source code of this little clock comes from the Activate Your Web Pages JavaScript, the Definitive Guide by David Flanagan. This is the 6th edition, and I recommend this book if you want to learn how to do JavaScript. That's it. Thank you very much.